Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries PROTO-TRAK CNC lathe model TRL 1440. The serial number 011BW10917. This machine, believe it or not, was new in 2001, and we're going to run it for you. This machine's original paint. It's got hardened and ground bedways. We're running right now at a lower RPM. It has from 35 up to 2400 RPM. There are 18 different spindle speeds. You can see on the spindle, which is a D15 CAMLOK, it has a 5C collet nose. Machine also has with it a 6 1/4 inch 3-jaw bison chuck and a 8 inch 4-jaw bison chuck. He's forward and reverse. It's going to change the speed. Machine has a LX2 PROTO-TRAK control, which is a 2-axis CNC control. It's going a little bit faster, forward and reverse. Machine also has a Dorian CXA tool post with holders and a steady rest, so it's a well-equipped machine. Going a bit faster now. Machine also has the enclosure. That is your rapid traverse joystick. And you can see also when he's moving that it reads on the control as a digital readout. But you also have pulse generators, which are electronic hand wheels for the X and the Z axis. Great. Machine also has a tailstock with a number 3 Morse taper, and he's moving the spindle, which is a 5.5 inch travel. Again, this machine is original paint and it's super nice. You can see it on our floor. Thanks for watching our video.